in the previous lecture we have discussed what is a redox reaction and oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction. In this lecture we are going to discuss another important concept, that is oxidizing agent and reducing agent. What is an oxidizing agent and what is a reducing agent, that we discuss in this lecture. This is very important. Okay, so first, what is oxidizing agent? The species which increases the oxidation state of other species by accepting one or more electrons, or the species which oxidizes other species is called as oxidizing agent. Simply, oxidizing agent means a species which oxidizes another substance. Okay, and a oxidizing agent itself undergoes reduction. Okay, now we discuss with a reaction, then you can understand easily. This also you can understand easily. Now let us take so this is the reaction we are going to discuss. See here, so from zinc to zinc plus 2, what is happening here? Zinc to zinc plus 2, loss of electrons. And here from copper plus 2 to copper, here what is the oxidation state of copper? 0. Here zinc oxidation state is 0. So here gain of electrons. Okay, so here in this reaction, if you observe this one, zinc is changed from 0 oxidation state to plus 2 oxidation state, means it is losing 2 electrons. Okay, and means it is undergoing oxidation. Yes or no? Here zinc is undergoing oxidation. Already we discussed loss of electrons is called oxidation. Next here, copper plus 2, it is gaining electrons. Yes or no? From plus 2 to 0 it is changing, means there is a decrease in the oxidation state, that is nothing but the reduction. So here it is undergoing reduction. This is the reaction which we know. Okay, so one is losing electrons, another one is gaining electrons. Now oxidizing agent, in these two, which is oxidizing agent? Okay, the species which increases the oxidation state of other species by accepting one or more electrons. See here, this copper is gaining electrons, means now this is the oxidizing agent. Yes or no? Copper plus 2 is gaining electrons here, so that's why it is oxidizing agent. What it is doing? It is oxidizing the other species. Yes or no? It is oxidizing zinc from 0 to plus 2 oxidation state by gaining electrons. Yes or no? Oxidizing agent, it oxidizes other species. Clear? Now this is taking electrons from the zinc and its oxidation state is changed from 0 to plus 2, means zinc undergoing oxidation in the presence of this oxidizing agent. Okay, now here what happened? Copper oxidation state is changed from plus 2 to 0. Okay, so oxidizing agent itself undergoes reduction. So here copper is, it is an oxidizing agent which undergoes reduction. Any oxidizing agent undergoes reduction, because see here plus 2 to 0 means oxidation state is decreased, that is nothing but reduction. Okay, so oxidizing agent take electron from the other species and that other species undergoes oxidation, and this oxidizing agent taking electrons, so that's why that undergoes reduction. Okay, simple. Next here, if we consider this one, zinc, this is a reducing agent here. Okay, zinc is a reducing agent and it undergoes reduction. Sorry, undergoes oxidation. Undergoes oxidation. So no. So here zinc is a reducing agent, so it undergoes oxidation. So no. So zinc is changing from 0 to plus 2, means what is happening? It is losing electrons, means this undergoing oxidation. So which is taking this electron? This copper is taking the electron. So this is a redox reaction. What is happening overall in this reaction? Zinc is losing 2 electrons and copper is gaining those 2 electrons. Means this is taking electrons from the zinc. So that's why it is oxidizing zinc. Or zinc is giving electrons to the copper. So that's why it is a reducing agent. Yes or no? No need to confuse anything, very simple. Clear? So oxidizing agent means an agent. Means this oxidizing agent is oxidizing other substance. Reducing agent, this agent is reducing the other substance. Okay, reducing agent always undergoes oxidation and oxidizing agent always undergoes reduction. Okay, clear? So this is about the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Okay, so how can we identify oxidizing and reducing agent in a redox reaction? Just assign the oxidation state for each and every species, then we can easily identify. Yes or no? Here it is changing from 0 to plus 2, oxidation state increased, means this is undergoing oxidation. This is undergoing oxidation means this electrons lost by zinc is gained by the other species, so that undergoes reduction. So that's why it is a reducing agent. Next here plus 2 to 0 means it is undergoing reduction. Yes or no? Reduction means this is a oxidizing agent. Okay. If oxidizing agent oxidizing other species means itself it is undergoing reduction. Why? See here, the species which increases the oxidation state of other species by accepting one or more electrons. Okay, that accepts the electrons from the other species and oxidizes other species. So here reducing agent, the species which decreases the oxidation state of other species by donating electrons. Yes or no? Okay, so here zinc is the reducing agent, it donating, see it is losing means it is gaining. So no, already we discussed in a redox reaction, number of electrons lost by the reducing agent is equal to number of electrons gained by the oxidizing agent. See here it is losing 2 electrons, here this is gaining 2 electrons. Okay, so definitely in a redox reaction already we discussed here, number of electrons lost by the reducing agent is always equal to the number of electrons gained by the oxidizing agent, because here no electron is destroyed or no electron is created. Overall, simply what is happening, electron transfer taking place from the reducing agent to oxidizing agent. Yes or no? These last electrons are gained by the copper plus 2, means simply what is happening, electron transfer taking place from zinc to copper. That is nothing but in general reducing agent to oxidizing agent, what is happening, electron transfer taking place. Okay, so this is about the reducing agent and oxidizing agent. In the next lecture we discuss some important oxidizing and reducing agents. Okay.